G'day trendsetters, and welcome to stage 1 of Project Plants on Pink. Stick around. Anyhow, thought I had a paintbrush, but appears I don't, so be right back. G'day trendsetters, and this is Project Plants on Pink 2, and got the brush, got the undercoat. You know what's coming next. Well, if you're still here, that was probably batshit boring for you, but I'm glad you stuck around. That's the end of stage 2 of Project Plants in Pink. Tomorrow, stage 3, and I'll explain all about what it's about. No biggie, it's just something I'm doing, and I hope you find it enjoyable too. Anyways, I'll put this up tonight, so if you like this video, found it useful or interesting or entertaining or just batshit boring, whatever, and you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would truly love it. If you like the video, then go ahead, click the like button. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for part 3. Cheers.